What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video we have a combined video. I am going to be doing a huge Walmart haul with you, as well as going through a DIY piece of furniture that we have been working on for the past several weeks. This is something I am using in my project home, and I am so excited to do the reveal. It was an absolute labor of love, and I am so happy with the way that it turned out. So if you are interested in seeing this Walmart haul along with a DIY piece of furniture, then just keep watching. We are starting off with this DIY, and this was the inspiration. So we took some pine wood and put it together to create this little masterpiece. We made sure to measure it out and customize the size. That way it was going to fit not only the area, but the scale and proportion of the living room. As you can see, we've created some pilot holes for some extra structure, and then temporarily placed it in the area to see what the sizing and shape looked like. We then moved on to the stain, which was definitely time consuming but worked out. As you can see here, the base is going to be lightly accented with black to expose and enhance those rough areas that we created by using a wire brush and different techniques in order to give the wood more character, depth, and dimension. And then over top of that was a whitewash base, and then over top of that was a gray base. So as you can see, all of the marks and distressing has the black peeking through, and then the whitewash on top of it, and then the gray right now, as you can see, on top of that. So it kind of tones down the white, gives it a little bit of a gray to kind of meld all three together. And then of course there's a tiny bit of that natural wood color coming through. Now this can take a little bit of time, which is why I'm going to next show you a picture. What you want to do is use the exact wood or material so that you can have a test strip. And then as you can see, we're going to put that in the exact place that it's going to be so you can tell whether or not you're going to like the outcome. Next, I'm going to style the console by starting off with some books, placing one of my favorite Studio Mickey lamps from this season, a nice long linear trough with some moss in it, and then a bowl at the end. I'm also going to show you another combination of items that I like, because this is the fun part, that you can actually decorate it, make it your own, and change it up to fit your space. So this is the first combination. I love how the dark gray lamp really draws everything together in the living room, and the books add just the right height. I also love how you can see that little bit of black peeking through, because it gives it a nice little contrast of color, so everything's not completely monochromatic. I also love how we added in a little bit of distressing. Now moving on to the next combination, I'm taking my favorite Studio Mickey vessel, putting in some dried status, and I love how this just brings everything tons of texture on top of those books, leaving the lamp plain without the books. And these can be found at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Amazon, and even Home Goods. The status I will definitely link for you. Right now I can only find it at a floral, and then this vessel can still be found at Target. I left the same exact white trough with a moss inside, but I may opt to look for something that has a little bit more of a contrast, maybe a really long thin tray of a darker color, and then putting something with a little bit of height on top. But overall, I love having something long and lean in the middle of it, drawing on both ends of something higher. And then the lamp, I left it as is. I love the shape of it. I love how much texture is in it. And again, that really nice dark color with all of that texture just looks really good for a nice contrast on the light console. I love the way that this console turned out. I hope you guys love it, and I of course will link everything that I can in the description box down below. Now we'll get into everything amazing from Walmart. All right, you guys, the first thing we are going to talk about is this amazing dish set I absolutely love. It is a really nice, sleek, modern set in a black color. I have been eyeing a new set of dishes for quite some time now, but what really drew me to this set in particular was the sleekness and the modernness of it. And then I love a good deep dish bowl. I feel like that's a really nice, trendy touch that is also timeless in the same aspect. I also have plates that are similar to this now, but they are from Hearth and Hand from Target, and I absolutely love them. So I figured if I like those, then I will love these too, except these are all black and all matching, whereas I just have the main plates from Target. So this is my favorite piece, obviously the bowl. I love that it's corresponding in color as well as style. It's a really unique twist on a serving set that I love. And of course, the best part is they were super affordable because they are from Walmart. They are by the brand Stone and Lane, dishwasher and microwave safe. So that obviously is a plus. If they're not, there's no chance I'm going to use them because that just makes it a little bit too difficult for me. So I love that they all stack, they intertwine, they can be mixed and matched. If you have just like my Target set, you have just the big plate, then you can use that and then mix and match the bowls, or you can just use the bowls with different colored plates. They did come in a set of 4 per box, so I did get 2 sets to total 8 settings, which should be enough if we do have any company over. So these are a really good, modern, timeless set that I love, that is going to be very affordable from Walmart. I, of course, will link these in the description box down below if you are interested in getting them for yourselves. Speaking of eating, I wanted to talk next about Bellaway. Bellaway is a super fiber plus fruit psyllium husk prebiotic fiber supplement with no sugar, gluten-free, 100% vegan. They sent me the lemon lime and raspberry lemon flavor, which I am super excited about because I love anything raspberry. This helps to support a happy gut, blood sugar, feel fuller, and have less bloating. I have been taking this in the morning with 8 ounces of water, and I have gradually moved up to using 1 scoop a day. In the beginning, I was just doing a half a scoop, and I really can tell a difference. The super fiber in Bellaway keeps you feeling fuller. This can cut cravings so you can eat less, which can help you keep your weight in check. Bellaway is a supplement made of super fiber called psyllium husk that nourishes your gut. It also helps with bloating, breakouts, and keeping you regular. Bellaway is an organic, all-natural, vegan, keto, paleo-friendly, and gluten-free fiber supplement that contains 0 sugar. It's flavored with real fruit, so it tastes better than the other fiber brands. What's also great is they have various bundles on their website in addition to these 2 that I am showing you now, and you can use my code for money off your first order. This is an amazing product and I definitely recommend it. I will of course link all of the information and links in the description box. I will also link this in my Amazon storefront as it's available on Amazon, Target, and Sprouts locations. Next up are these amazing bed foot slides. I absolutely am obsessed with these and have been wearing them to death. They are by the brand Time and True, and not to be confused with another footbed sandal that they have. These have the little espadrille accent on the bottom, as you can see here. I absolutely think that that makes this shoe so unique and awesome for the summer and spring season. That to me just kind of sets it apart, so it doesn't look like every other Birkenstock dupe, for lack of a better word. I also love the little accent of white. It's got like a little bit of a foam bottom on it, and then of course the regular insole, and then these beautiful little buckles. I just love them, and they're nice and high, so they have a little bit of chunk to them, but they're not too high to where they're going to be a platform and not wearable. I do think that they are true to size. I got mine in a size 9, and they are also available in a gold color as well as a black color. So if this is something that you love, I would definitely jump on it, get them online. I think that that's like $35 to free shipping, so you just get a couple pairs, get a couple sizes, decide, and then return whatever you don't like. But I love them. I think that they match with absolutely everything. They are my new favorite summer shoe. They are a tiny bit on the heavy side. They're not going to be light as air, just so you're aware, but I absolutely don't mind that. I just think that they're an amazing shoe, and I'm so glad that I got them because this nude color is absolute perfection and absolutely looks like real leather, even though it's not. So let me know what you guys think of the new sandal slide that I never thought I would wear. Next up, we're going to talk all about the home edit line, and I wanted to go over this again because I have gotten so many sets of these and used them in so many different places, and I wanted to show you how amazing these are. I actually created this cleaning cart from a Bright Room cart that I found at Target that I absolutely love, that has this little mesh and wheels at the bottom. It is the perfect cleaning cart if you have a 2-story house or just a house that's wider that you really need something to drag along with you, then this is a great idea to create. And I did it using that cart and the home edit line from Walmart. So it comes with a set. I mean, there's a ton of different sets, but I'll show you the set that I got. I will actually link both of them. There are 2. This one is so good because it has so many different shapes in it. I use these 2 medium-sized ones to put my Swiffer and duster and brushes in. These 2 smaller ones, as you can see here, to put my cloths in, my microfiber cloths, and then a bigger one again at the bottom to put anything dirty, small pieces of trash or paper towel. Then I have some extra towels stacked here, and then at the top I have a roll of paper towel and then another big bucket with all of my favorite cleaning supplies. And I'm telling you, this is one of a million ways that I've used the home edit line to store all of my stuff in. I also use it in my laundry room. I use it in my console cabinet over here to store all of like my little paints, paint brushes, stuff like that. I literally use this so much, and they're now on clearance. I've heard, I personally have not gotten any on clearance, but they come in so many different combinations. They come with the Lazy Susan, anything you can imagine, even as separate. So if you are into organizing, if you're into having a cleaning cart, storing and organizing your stuff that's also aesthetically pleasing, then I definitely recommend some of these home edit line storage container sets because they really are amazing and life-changing. So I will link my favorite 2 sets below in the description box, and if you have them, let me know which ones you guys have and what you use them for. I also want to show you the laundry set. It comes with this clear Lazy Susan that I put all of my liquids and my scent beads in. These actually are from Amazon. They're part of the 360, and then this one is from Amazon as well, just from the kitchen area. And I love this because it's the perfect size and it works really well. And then up here I have the other 4 pieces, which are 2 open bins, as you can see here. They're totally stackable, as well as these 2 skinny bins that are stackable as well. So these are really great for organizing things like your iron, your steamer, anything that you need to reach in and grab. And then these are great for your disinfecting wipes, your shell, anything like that that you need to store. And I love the fact that they're totally stackable and interchangeable and so easy to use. The other way that I've used them is another combination, and this one is great because they come with a ton of smaller organizers. As you can see here, they come with ones that are half this size, and the large size. So you can not only stack them, but you can organize smaller products as well, which is great for crafting and painting. As you can see, I use this one for all my tie-dye and smaller paints, all of my paint brushes in here, and then my hot glue, Gorilla Glue, anything like that over here. So it just makes everything a little bit more easy to store and easy to organize, especially when it comes to smaller items. Last but certainly not least, I love using them in the bathroom. These are the really small version. I actually put them in here for my little face masks, my peels, and then of course my makeup wipes. You can use them to organize your hair clips, bobby pins, anything that's really small that you still want organized and you don't want moving around. I happen to put them on this Amazon organizer that I absolutely love. It's sleek, clean, metal and white, and it goes perfect with these little storage containers. So I will link the 2 of my favorites, and then of course the third one, so that you have all of the options to choose from. Let me know if you already have them, because they're definitely going to make your life a lot easier, more aesthetically pleasing, and easier to organize. Next up are these Better Home and Gardens matches. I love this little set because I think it's always really good to have matches in your home in case there's a power outage or anything, or just simply to light your candles with. But I love this set because it's super cute with a wooden top, very affordable, and comes with the strikes on the back of the package so you don't have to worry about it. They're really nice, clear, and aesthetically pleasing, and a little bit on the longer side because I had some of the packages of the shorter matches, and there definitely is a huge difference in having the longer matches. It just makes lighting your candles so much easier. So these are one of my favorite purchases. I was gonna get 2, but they've been out of stock. So as soon as I see another one, I will definitely snag it and stock up because You definitely can't beat 100 matches for the price. So I will link these below for you guys, and let me know what you think of the matches from Better Homes and Garden. Next up is my favorite coffee maker, and I'm going to show you the other appliance that I have that is from this brand. It is so amazing. I love the Drew Barrymore brand from Walmart. These are so affordable, so useful, and they look so high-end and sleek. This has been one of y'all's favorites that I posted on my Like to Know It, and it truly is amazing for the price. This has completed my little coffee area. I definitely wanted something bigger and black with just a little touch of gold. As you can see, I'm trying to incorporate that into my decor, and this really does it. It is, like I said, super affordable. It holds up to 14 cups of coffee. I only make a couple of cups at a time, but it's really easy to clean. I've actually already cleaned it, and then I will show you. It does come with a filter basket, and then I put my filters in on top, and then the water basin in the back. You just click brew twice and it brews your coffee and you are good to go. I also will link these in the description box down below. I got these from Walmart to make sure that I'm tying up my cords, because there is nothing more annoying than cords that are hanging everywhere all over the countertop. So I will definitely link these two. I've looked at a million different kinds, and these definitely are the best and the easiest to use. These were also on sale, so I will see if I can find the same ones that I got and link those in the description box down below. As you can see, it just so effortlessly holds up your cord so it is not slacking or hanging in the background. So this is one of the two that I've gotten, and I literally will get every single one of the other ones when my other appliances go, because I love that they match. I love that they look so sleek and they're so affordable and work really, really well. So this is the other one that I got. I got it recently. It is the toaster. I just wanted to show you how beautiful it is. It's just as gorgeous as the coffee maker. It does have the regular metal on top and then just the small slight gold accents, which I absolutely love. I think that makes such a difference in it looking nice and high end. And I wanted to show you how it operates. It's so nice because it's digital and touchscreen. You have the reheat, bagel, and frozen settings, and then here at the bottom you can adjust the darkness of the toast and bring it as dark and toasty as you want it. So I love that it's digital. I love that it's a touchscreen, and I love the simplicity of it. That way there is no guesswork, and you can just put your toast down, put your bagel down, tell it what is going on, whether you're just reheating, having a bagel, or a frozen piece of toast, which I do have a lot of frozen bread because I like to store mine away. So it just makes it super simple and super user-friendly, and I seriously don't know what I did without it. So I will leave both of these linked in the description box down below. And again, if you guys have any, I know that they make other beautiful colors like the white with the gold. Let me know which ones you guys have and which pieces you have from her collection. All right, you guys, that is gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will link everything in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.